A very good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. Today I will explain change in quantity demanded and movement along same demand curve. Change in quantity demanded and movement along same demand curve means the same thing. There are two words by which we call. It is of two types. First is extension of demand, which is also known as increase in quantity demanded, and contraction of demand, which is also known as decrease in quantity demanded. If you miss this word quantity, then it will be wrong. You have to write if there is a contraction of demand, so it is decrease in quantity demanded, and if it is extension of demand, then it is increase in quantity demanded. So see, extension of demand means when demand for a commodity changes due to change in price of the commodity. Other factors remain constant, so it is treated as a change in quantity demanded. So whenever there is a change in quantity demanded due to change in commodity's own price is known as change in quantity demanded. In that condition, we assume that other factors which affect the demand, they remain constant. So first I will discuss about extension of demand. Extension of demand means more demand at a lower price, keeping other factors constant. More demand, suppose more demand at lower price means when price of a commodity fall, demand of a commodity increases. Quantity demanded for a commodity increases. So when we draw this diagram, yesterday this I was trying to explain to you, like suppose at this price OP is the price, on y axis we are taking price and x axis I am taking quantity demanded and here price. So suppose when OP is the price, then OQ is the quantity demanded, and when the price falls, quantity demanded increases from OQ to OQ1. So this is increase in quantity demanded when there is a fall in price. So this is point A and point B. When you draw the demand curve, downward sloping demand curve, dt is the downward sloping demand curve. So here we move downward from point A to point B along the same demand curve. So it is also known as extension of demand or increase in quantity demanded. There is a downward movement along the same demand curve. So this is extension of demand when there is a change in quantity demanded due to change in commodity's own price. We assume that other factors which affect the demand remain constant. There is no change in other factors. Now the contraction of demand. Demand contracts, suppose when there is a rise in price. So when there is a rise in price, there is a contraction of demand. Demand falls when the price increases. So here when we draw the diagram, same on y-axis we will take price and x-axis quantity demanded. So suppose OP is the price and OQ is the quantity demanded. When the price rises from OP to OP1, quantity demanded decreases from OQ to OQ1. Price rises, demand falls. And this is the downward sloping demand curve. dt is a downward sloping demand curve. Here we move from point A to point B upward along the same demand curve. Upward movement along the same demand curve, it shows contraction of demand because demand contracts when there is a rise in price and demand expand when there is a fall in price. So this is very important to understand that change in quantity demanded will happen only when there is a change in commodity's own price, assuming that keeping other factors remain constant. Change in quantity demanded is also known as movement along the same demand curve. Yes, there is a movement along the same demand curve, upward and downward movement. Downward movement indicates extension of demand, which is also known as increase in quantity demanded. So, quantity demanded expand when there is a fall in price. This you can explain with the help of table and diagram both. And quantity demanded contracts when there is a rise in price. And here there is a upward movement along the same demand curve. Contraction of demand is also known as decrease in quantity demanded. So I hope this is clear to everyone. If you want to ask anything, then you can please ask. In next video, I will explain change in demand. Change in demand, there we do not use this word change in quantity demanded. Just change in demand, which is also known as shift in demand curve. Okay.